Hi, this is Paul with Skyway Web Design and Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the search ranking report, or the Google rankings report, that we include every month with your SEO reports. When you get your email that has the SEO report in it, each month there will be a link in it, and when you click it, it will take you to the dashboard of your SEO report. And that dashboard has several components to it. And within each component there is a link for more details for a full report. So here we see the Google rankings, and it has information about how many number 1 rankings, how many rankings 2 through 5, how many keywords the client ranks 6 through 10. But if you want more information, you click on the View Full Report, and that will take you to your search ranking report. Now what we see here is first the overview, which includes the average Google position. In this case it's 8.9, which is an improvement of 1.5 places on average. And below it shows a graph, and there are 3 lines on this graph. The one line is organic desktop. Desktop is the rankings that you get when you're searching from a desktop computer or a laptop. The organic mobile is the search rankings that you get when you are searching from a phone or a tablet. Google actually has slightly different rankings depending on whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop device. And then the third line is the local finder, and this is the average position in the Maps searches, so Google Maps and Bing Maps. Alright, in addition to this, there's a second tab here which is keyword and positional movement. And in this report, we've got keyword change, and this indicator at the top is the net positive or negative number of keywords that have changed in the last month. So if we look down here, you'll see the keyword movement. For this client, there were 37 keywords where they improved, 27 keywords where they went down, and that is a net change of 10 keywords that were positive. And one of the things that you'll notice is that keywords vary quite a bit from month to month, and it's not necessarily due to a real change in rankings. There are just fluctuations in the rankings where it's very common to move up a place or two or down a place or two, and so to get a better picture we look at the overall movement. So in this case there were a net of 10 keywords that improved. Now the positional change, this is the total number of places that improved over the course of the month. So to understand the difference between keyword change and positional change, for example, let's say that there was one keyword where a client moved from number 5 in the rankings to number 1 in the rankings. Now that would be one keyword change, but it would be 4 positions changed. And so that is the distinction between keyword changes and positional changes. For this client, they had keywords that gained 153 positions in the last month, while they also had other keywords that declined 80 positions. But if we take that as a whole, it was a net of 73 positions gained. In addition to that, there are also new ranking keywords. This is the number of keywords that did not rank at all in the prior month, and now they rank in the top 50, I believe. There were 25 keywords that saw no change. And then this on the right, total report keywords, there are 16 keywords that we are monitoring for this client. But we are monitoring those keywords in Google Desktop, Google Mobile, the Google Local Pack, Google Maps, Bing, Bing Local, and Bing Local Pack. So we're really looking at 7 different search engines. So that is why we can be monitoring for 16 keywords and still see so many additional, what seems like so many more rankings that are going on, because it's really 16 keywords times 7 search engines is over 100 total keywords that we're looking at. All right, the last item, last tab up here is the Google Local Pack coverage. For many keywords, especially if there's a local aspect of it, when you search, you will see a map and 3 listings to the side of it. This is the local 3-pack or the local pack. And but not all. Sometimes we'll have a search like this where there is no local pack in it. So what this part of the report shows is that for this client, there were 15 opportunities where there were local packs for the keyword, and currently they have 1 listing that made the local pack. So they've got some improvement that we can make for them. But this is what the local pack coverage indicates. All right, moving down in the search ranking report, the next part shows the positions, and this shows for, by default, the last 6 months, and for each of the months, if you hover over it, it will show the number of number 1 rankings, the number of keywords that it was 2 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 through 20, 21 through 50, and 51 plus. And so you can check that for each of the months going back. And the last item here, the rankings table. This is this shows the individual ranking for each keyword in each search engine. So you'll see the keywords listed on the left. And you remember I said there were 16 keywords that we're monitoring for this client. And then for each keyword, there's Google Organic Desktop, Google Organic Mobile, the Google Local Pack, which is that 3-pack that I was showing you with the map next to it, and then Google Local Finder, which is Google Maps. And so you can see for each one, for example here, they were number 1 in Google Desktop, and there's no change. So that was, they had no movement. They were 1 the previous month and 1 this month. But for Bay Area Asphalt Maintenance, they are number 2 this month, and that is a plus sign, means that it's a new top ranking for them. So some of them you can see might have moved up a position or down a position, and you can see that for many of these, they're not in the local pack, but here's one where they got in and to the 3rd position, and then this shows where they're ranking in the Google Maps. And you can click here and get the same things for Bing. Bing doesn't distinguish between whether you're searching from a computer or a mobile device, so there's just Bing. There is a local pack in the Bing results, and then there's also Bing Maps, which is the Bing local. So that is a look at the search rankings report, part of the SEO reports we provide for you each month here at Skyway Web Design and Marketing. Thanks for watching.